usually doesn't pave the road to hell very often. You have served Amtgard, and you have served Dragon Spine most nobly. And so, I trust being asked.
Go, Emma! Yeah!
He was talking bad about you. Take an ear off.
In the name of Amtgard, in the name of Dream, and in the name of Dragonspine, I name thee Sir Randall, Knight of the Flame. I always wanted to do that. Have some things for you. You don't.
Like, yes, that's what it is.
Yeah, some dry clothes now.
I don't know how big is it.
If you put it on right now, they can put the other belt on over it, you won't have to take that one off.
Yeah.
He'll look really cool. Oh, that's
It fits.
Hey!
There's no Punisher, outfit.
He doesn't know his size, then.
I like that. It's pretty slick.
Go ahead.
Woo!